Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. This is Ad Zeros, and I want to do a quick recap for today. And I have some beautiful trades, but also at the same time, I did some little messed up with my trades. I'm going to show all of my trades. My final PNL is, if you recall, in the morning I had some issues at my home, so I need to step out, but still very good results, despite I was not able to focus. So very nice. And let me quickly recap. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. So let's look at the first trade. So first trade, I had a VRTX. So right now it is coming down, but I think I was in the morning. I traded on the first time of first minute opening range breakout play. I want to play, and I went short here. Initially it moved in my direction, but then it moved back up. There was no volume, so I was a little bit uncertain what need to be done, and I stopped out on the 1 point risk, a very small size, only 250 shares, because I was not very clear that because of the low volume. The next trade I had the Neo. I had a couple of trades. Some are very beautiful, and some are, I just managed very poorly. So this is a lesson learned for me as well. Uh, so, first trade I had a beautiful short on the opening range, a beautiful partial of a 40 cents, and then when it moved out, I took one more partial, but then I thought that okay, it's gonna maybe reject the VWAP and gonna come down. I went short, and it squeezed me, and I stopped out. And at that time, my this green trade also turned red, and my earlier red trade VRTX is there. Then I noticed it is chopping around and making a beautiful bear flag and wanted to come down. I shot again, partial, 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 and this one is a very beautiful trade, and went green based on it. And after that, it's if you see, just spiking up. The next trade I had on NET. NET was my trade of the day. Beautiful 4% down at the time. I shot it here, added into my position. First partial, second, third, and then I closed the last piece here. So very beautiful 2 points, almost more than 2 points trade. Then comes to the Neo. Let me, I just did, I managed very, I think there's some are the good trade, but some are really bad trades I managed. So let me show you. So here, look at this. So it was a scalp trade, I know. So I added, entered to my position. I added here, and it is a bear flag reversal on the top, because if you look at the pre-market level, there was a pre-market resistance on the 45. So I was thinking that it's going to reject this level and then I'm going to come down. So I shot here, added, and moment it moved back up, I stopped out. That's fine. That's the perfect management. That was exactly the break-even trade. Then I saw it moving back up to that level. I shot it again. I added. I took my first partial, and I think what I did the mistake here, I was very green on this. If you look at 45, almost 40 cents in, and I only took the partial. The add on this is basically ruined my psychology. So I added in the wrong side, and then I need to stopped out. I tried one more time and I stopped out. I think this was a very bad management of the trade, which is a lesson learned for me as well, that I need to avoid that. That was the mistake I did it. And then uh, and then I saw it is making a doji wanna come down. I went one more try, and this is called the over trading and the stabbing, that you're trying the one idea again and again and it's not working for you, but you're still trying it. When I shot here and I squeezed back up again and I stopped out. And that was a very poor management area. I think I missed only the one area. So what happened here, it was a beautiful stopped out couple of times, and then I realized that it wanted to break out. If you look at the 5 minute chart, you will see this is making a bull flag. So here, and what I did when I noticed that this is making a bull flag, I went short on this. I stopped out and I flipped my position and went long. The moment I went long, it was a beautiful trade. I added into my position on 45.20 partial. This is almost a 60 cents partial. So this is why you see a very big on the margin long side, a $280 profit. So that was a beautiful trade I had. Then uh, I shot it one more time. It was a beautiful entry. I added into my position, then I stopped out. I tried one more shot. and I stopped out. And then I was wanted to go short here, but I was thinking, oh man, I am taking too many tries, so I should avoid it. I didn't trade on this side. I was watching it, but then I didn't. And this time I entered here, added here in partial partial. So this way, I have reduced my 200. I was have a $300 profit on it and turn into be a $30 net loser. So this is called the overtrading and stabbing, where hopefully I manage well at the end. So hope you liked it. And feel free to give your feedback and how did I trade and what did you trade. And tomorrow I'm going on live at 11:30 a.m. on the Tradenet channel. You can join me. I'm gonna discuss a topic that how you can form your directional biases using a pre-market price action. So that is I'm going to discuss about. And if you wanted to learn, feel free to join me on the Tradenet chat room at 11:30 a.m. After, other than that, see you tomorrow.